What's going on, everyone? I am Ron, this is the TST Garage, and today I've got a fun little product feature for you. Today we are checking out the brand new Honda Grom fairing washer kit for your 2022 and up Honda Grom. Now, when we first received our two Honda Groms, there were a few nuances that we noticed on the bikes. Some of them big, some of them small, and right off the bat we noticed these rather large, rather unsightly, kind of lackluster fairing washers on the side of the bike, which have been aptly dubbed the bullet hole washers by the Honda Grom community. But we can work past simple design features as long as they work. Until they don't. We've had a couple of these guys pop out on us, we've had some pop out on customers, and then through the process of taking these off and working on our bike, there's some other issues we noticed. For one, the OEM bolts, they're kind of weak. They strip out. Since they're black, the ends become marred with the tool to remove them. And then on top of that, the actual washer itself becomes marred as well from the bolt interacting with it. So with an already growing pile of Honda Grom projects, we dropped another one on our engineers, and my goodness, did they knock it out of the park. Behold our Fairing Garnish Washer Set for your Honda Grom. Each of these are made of 3 components, starting with the base washer, which is a CNC machined billet aluminum piece. It is showcasing some really neat design features on the face, including our company name. And we do offer this in 2 different color options. We've got the raw aluminum, and then we also offer a black anodized finish, both equally durable and easily matched to any Grom build. Now, furthering your customization options, we offer 5 different anodized colorways for your interior garnish washer, including blue, gold, silver, black, and red. Any one of these colors should match with your Grom build and help set it apart from the mini bike crowd. Now, these 2 washers are coupled together and attached to the bike with some included stainless steel corrosion resistant hardware. Now, when purchasing these sets, do keep in mind they are sold in sets of 6. This provides you the option to go with a different color setup on the lower triangle fairing if you so choose. Now, swapping out the OEM washers for ours is incredibly easy and simple. And while we typically make an install video for each and every one of our products, we figured we'd spare you the watching me turn 12 bolts when I can quickly demonstrate the process with just one. So I do have a fairing right here. We're gonna go ahead and remove it with a 5mm hex key. We will just simply undo it until the bolt is loose. And of course that guy pops out super easily. And to install ours, we'll grab the base washer, pop it in. You'll notice it's a very secure fit. That thing ain't going anywhere. You'll grab your hardware ring and then the hardware itself. We'll go ahead and pop that guy in. And then you'll grab a 3mm hex key and you'll just tighten until it bottoms out, and then you're all done. So with literally just a few minutes of time, we've completely transformed the look of this bike. If you like this washer kit, head on over to tstindustries.com where you can pick yourself up a set, and be sure to check out some other Grom products we offer that feature the matching anodized rings, such as our headlight garnish kit, our mirror block offs, the undertail kit, and even our license plate hardware. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, drop a comment below, let us know what you think about these washers, how you're feeling about them, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This is Ron, ride safe.